Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Ford Mustang Premium V6 Club of America in deep impact blue metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. I'll let you have a look. So nice size trunk on the Mustang, as you can see. And we'll just pull this up. We've got the jack down at the bottom. And then just have a look, nice and clean on this one. We'll just close this up. So it's got the nice deck spoiler on this. It does have the reverse camera in the deck spoiler. It's got the Mustang logo over the center brake light, so that'll light up when you hit the brakes. It's got the nice LED tail lights on each side, and we've got dual stainless steel exhaust down on the bottom as well. So that looks great. So we'll just swing around this side. Here's your rear wheel. So looks like it's in really good shape, no curb rash, no issues. And we've got nice Yokohama tires on there, so it looks great. So at the passenger side, we've got the illuminated Mustang kick plate, and it's in fair condition as well. On the passenger door, we've got the leather insert. We've got power windows. Up top, we've got power locks with a nice chrome door handle and chrome surround around the speaker. So on the passenger seat, you've got power fore aft, up, down, manual recline. And then the seat's got a nice baseball stitching to it. So I'll just scan up the seat so you can see. Looks great. And let's pull the seat forward and have a look in the back seat. So there's the back seats. They're in fabulous condition, as you can see. And again, with the nice baseball stitching. So we'll just close this one up. And let's have a seat. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Looks nice. And in the glove box, we do have the books. So that's perfect. Books are there. We've got a nice Mustang logo placed on here. And then we've got a VIN plate even. So 2014 Mustang MCA edition convertible. It is number 424, built of 1,137 convertibles made. So very cool, and 34 of 110 in this paint trim combination. Awesome. So we'll just hop out, we'll close up this door, and let's scan down the side. So it looks good, no dings, no dents. And on the mirror, you've got the convex mirror in the corner, and then you also have heated mirrors as well. So here's your front wheel. So it's in fair condition. Looks like there's one little minor mark here, which we'll touch up. Outside of that, the rim's in great shape, and nice Yokohama tires on there. So under the hood, we have the V6 3.7 liter engine, which is 305 horsepower paired to the automatic transmission. And it's got the strut brace tower bar there that goes across. And as you can see, it's very clean underneath. So we'll go ahead and we'll close the hood. And we'll have a look from the front. So with the Club of America, it's got the special grille with the logo to the side. It's also got the HID projector headlights. And then we've got fog lights below, and the other part to that is they are fully automatic headlights as well. So there's a couple minor stone chips. We're gonna redo them. It looks like the paint isn't that great that was used, so we'll clean that off and we'll fix them up. So yeah, there's just a couple of them there. I mean, nothing you're not gonna get going down the road, but this is before we've put our magic on it and polished the car. So it'll look much better when we're done. So here's your front wheel. No curb rash on this one. Looks great, and nice Yokohama tires on there. And we'll have a look at the rear wheel. Same thing, looks good. And there's one little minor mark that's been touched up here that I'll point out. Again, we'll take that paint off and we'll put the proper color on and polish it, so it'll look great when we're done. On the driver's side, we've got the nice Mustang illuminated kick plate there. It's in great shape. And then on the door, we've got power windows. So the two switches in the front are for the front windows. The single switch in the back operates both rear windows. We've got our power locks with the chrome handle. And there's your power mirror control there. So that looks great. And we'll just have a look at the seat. So on the driver's side, power fore, aft, up, down, and lumbar support. And then you've got manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat for you. Looks great with the baseball stitching. Leather's in good shape. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Looks great. So let's go ahead and start this one. All right, there it is. So in terms of kilometers, we've got 73,322 kilometers on it. We've got no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Let's see, so we've got gauge mode, trip, fuel, we've got the track apps. Just go back here. Cool, countdown, start timer. So lots of different options there on the dash. And then I was controlling that with these buttons here. We've got our cruise control buttons here on the side. On this side, we've got voice control, Bluetooth control, volume, and track change. Over here is your headlight control, and if we pull that forward, that turns on the fog lights. And then your wiper controls up there. It's a turnkey start, and the keys do have lock, unlock, trunk, and panic buttons on them, and there is 2 keys there with it. Here's your radio, so it's a touchscreen radio. It's got factory navigation, so if I hit map, there's your map. If we hit radio down here, you've got AM, FM, satellite radio. And if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And we'll just park that for a second. Climate, you can control the temperature controls on the screen if you like. And then I'll just move the shifter out of the way. Here's the buttons down here, so radio and screen buttons and navigation, and then you do have heated seats as well. And then additional climate control buttons are there. Here's your automatic shifter, traction control, 4-ways, and trunk release are here. There's your emergency brake. You've got a cup holder with illumination, and then we've got this pocket back here that has a 12-volt socket, USB, and line in. And let's go ahead and put the top up. I'll just show you the operation, show you that it's working. All right, we'll just unlock these and we'll finish it the rest of the way. Perfect. And that's locked in, and let's go ahead and put the windows up, and then we'll hop out and have a look while it's running. All right. We'll just scan down this side. We'll have a look from the front. So there it is with the nice bright HID headlights. It's got LED daytime running lights on the side and the fog lights below. And let's just scan down the side. Looks great. There's the LED tail lights. They look awesome. Nice little chug from the exhaust. There you have it, folks. 2014 Ford Mustang, Club of America, in deep impact blue metallic, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.